On the screen is my Evernote account, and in my Evernote account I have 4 notebooks all right here. And in each notebook you can have notes that relate to that specific notebook. So if I go into quotes, I have one note that lists a bunch of quotes. And then if you go back to notebooks, for high school, when I used this in high school, I also had things to do. So here are my notes from high school. And then in my EDCI 270 course theme, I also have a bunch of notes as well. And in them, I have helpful websites that you can go to that then take you to all the information that I need for my course theme, or may need one day. And I also just have random pictures that I could possibly use for any further projects I need. And then over here I have an article saved about Rosie the Riveter, and she actually just died this last week, and she died at 96, so I saved her article here. And then on the screen here is one of the notes, which I was able to save an article from a website, and I was actually able to save the entire article here. And with this article, I have put tags up here, which is World War II, workforce, women, World War II, and article. And then my most recent one, I have saved a clip from a website, and I have annotated it. I have had highlights, and I even put an arrow to point out some important parts as well. And the nice thing about the tags is if you go to this tags down here, you can then find a tag, and if I search article, it gives me my 3 notes that have article in it, so it makes finding and organizing your notes so much easier.